So, I compared UiPath and Power Automate. And here's what I found. They're both powerful automation platforms, but they're built for slightly different users. UiPath is the more specialized option. It's designed specifically around robotic process automation, with advanced tools for building complex workflows, automating desktop tasks, and handling large-scale business processes. If you have complicated automation requirements, UiPath gives you a lot of control. Power Automate is more approachable, especially if you're already using Microsoft products. It connects naturally with tools like Excel, Teams, SharePoint, and Outlook, so creating simple business automations can be really straightforward. But here's the problem. UiPath can be more complicated to learn, while Power Automate can feel limited once your workflows become really advanced. So the better choice depends heavily on what you're actually trying to automate. Here's the thing. Pick UiPath if you need serious RPA capabilities and complex automation. Choose Power Automate if you're already invested in the Microsoft ecosystem and want something easier to get started with. Basically, UiPath is the stronger choice for advanced automation, while Power Automate is the more convenient option for everyday business workflows. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.